16 minutes lang. I will say goodbye. What's your message to me when I will go to Hong Kong? Ang sa ikaingon nimo sa akong paglupad unya pohon sa January 7.
When it's my birthday, give me a present.
What's your present? What present do you like?
Anything?
Anything that from me? Like chocolate. Pating ansay message mo sa akong paglupad pohon.
Amping.
Ay, amping. And more
And more outing.
amping and more amping and more outing. Okay. New Year's pala mag-outing na tani. Sugdan na to outing.